Snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Zadie, Malik, Junjun, or Ellie? Tap my brother Malik. Here are some of his favorite things. Trumpets, balloons, rubber ducks. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Balloons. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is... Hooray! You worked it out! Malik loves balloons. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You got it! Can you fill another? You don't need to use all the shapes. Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Tap the... Wow! This is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. You solved a really big problem. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. This shape is... Yes, we made it all the way across the road. Wow, look at all these decorations. Malik's going to love them. Who should we decorate for next? My sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, pictures. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Soccer balls. Let's use triangle. We made it! Zadie loves soccer. How could... This shape is sticking... Great problem solving! Fill one hole at a time. The neighborhood looks so nice. And Zadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Jinjin. Here are some of his favorite things. Guitars, bubbles, flags, flags. How? Oh yeah, you solved the problem. Jinjin loves flags. You filled all the holes. We made it! Another big problem. How can we fill... Oh yeah, you solved the problem! Jinjin loves all these special decorations. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, fire trucks. Ooh, more. Could this shape fill the hole? Yes, we made it all the way across the road. Ellie loves fire trucks. Which... Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. Wow! We're almost done. some decorations. Ellie adores them. We made the neighborhood look extra special. And everyone's so happy. Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way.